tired. You can tell that the trip is finally catching up to us. Officially day 3. It feels like we've been here for a week. Oh my god, we've done so much in 3 days. And on top of it, I'm a little sick, so walking around. We got a late start today. It's now 2 p.m. Ugh. And it is the 4th of July.
Red, white, blue.
I do get my red, white, and blue. Thanks to Cody. Wearing one of his t-shirts. I'm just feeling very like, frumpy today. First meal of the day. This healthy place. Very much needed. And go from there. Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July.
We will.
Thank you.
We are currently headed to Grand Central Station in the middle of New York because we're going to Coney Island today, where we are going to go to the beach and have our 4th of July celebration there and watch fireworks. So it's going to take us an hour train ride, I think he said. And I'm hydrated. I'm going to conquer this cold. And it is my, you know, I want to say official day of being 25. Even though my birthday was yesterday, it didn't count, it was transition day. Alright, happy 4th of July, guys. Ooh, I look good. I almost said Stone Mountain. We made it to Coney Island for the 4th of July. Oh my god. Oh my god, this reminds me of Venice Beach. This is so cool. Oh my god. Wow. So cool. I want to go get an ice cream cone, Nathan's hot dog, and ride the Ferris wheel, if not the roller coaster, and just enjoy our 4th of July, because fireworks should be around 8 and 9 o'clock. I think they said 9:30. and then we'll take the train back to Manhattan. Happy 4th of July, guys! It's so good. Let me try your chocolate.
Mine. She wants to try mine before I even had it.
I ignored that.
Oh, it's so good.